In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Attio with Gmail. We're going to walk through the setup process inside Attio so you can connect your Gmail account and continue the integration smoothly. This is a useful setup if you want your email activity to work more closely with your CRM workflow and keep communication organized in one place. To get started, open Attio and make sure you're on the home page. This is your main starting point, and from here, you'll be able to access the settings needed for the integration. If you've just logged in, you'll usually land here automatically. Once you're on the home page, go to your company profile area and click on Account Settings. This is where Attio keeps the main configuration options for your workspace, including app connections and integrations. If you don't immediately see it, look around the top navigation or profile menu until you find the settings option tied to your account or workspace. After that, head to the Apps section. You may need to type it in if there's a search bar in the settings area, and then click on Apps when it appears. This section is where Attio lists available tools and services that can be connected to your account. Taking a moment to use the search function can make this much faster, especially if there are several settings categories visible. Inside Apps, find Gmail. Again, you may be able to type it into the search field to narrow things down quickly. Once Gmail appears in the list, click on it to open the integration page. This page will show you the connection option for linking your Gmail account with Attio. Now click Install. This begins the actual connection process. From here, you'll be prompted to log into your Gmail account to continue with the integration. Follow the on-screen Google sign-in steps carefully and review any permission requests before approving them. Those permissions are typically required so Attio can work properly with your Gmail account. Once you complete the Google login and authorization flow, the integration process should continue from there. If anything doesn't load right away, give it a few seconds and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before proceeding. It's also a good idea to double-check that pop-ups aren't being blocked by your browser, since that can sometimes interrupt sign-in windows. And that's how to integrate Attio with Gmail. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.